Welcome to AI News by Vivek, your daily dose of the latest AI updates, tools, and future tech. Let's quickly explore today's biggest AI news.
Welcome to today's High-Speed Explainer. We're acting as your daily tech news desk today, broadcasting the absolute biggest breaking AI developments from across the globe. Seriously, the sheer volume of shifts happening right now, from the classified halls of the Pentagon to the red carpets of Hollywood, is just staggering. We're cutting through the noise to bring you the real-world industry impact. So grab a coffee and let's get right into it. Here's today's rundown. We're looking at AI as national infrastructure, a hidden Silicon Valley war for developers, global ethical regulations, a total transformation in Hollywood, and finally, a revolution coming straight to your daily shopping habits. Okay, our lead story today, the geopolitical AI arms race and why the Pentagon is testing multiple new models. So, the US Pentagon is officially testing AI systems for classified workflows, and they're actively pitting OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic against each other. We're talking about deep integration across some heavy areas: intelligence analysis, next-generation cybersecurity, active defense operations, and long-term military planning. Governments are now treating artificial intelligence as essential national tech. It carries the exact same strategic weight as a naval fleet or a massive fighter jet program. The strategic pivot here is absolutely massive. Historically, government IT meant heavy vendor lock-in with just a single tech giant. But the new reality? They're deliberately testing multiple models to actively avoid that trap. By balancing rivals like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic against one another, the defense sector ensures they always have access to the absolute cutting edge. It's a crucial move to maintain a geopolitical advantage in a really high-stakes global technology race. Moving on to our next headline: the AI infrastructure battle as Anthropic acquires Stainless. While the Pentagon tests models, Silicon Valley is fighting a ruthless war for developers. Anthropic just acquired Stainless, which is a startup focused entirely on creating software development kits, or SDKs, and APIs. This tells us the war is no longer just about who has the smartest consumer chatbot. Not at all. It's about owning the underlying enterprise tools that developers actually rely on. The company that controls the foundation for building software, well, they essentially control the future of the entire ecosystem. And here's the real twist. Before this acquisition, Stainless was actively used by Anthropic's biggest rivals, including Cloudflare, OpenAI, and Google. Yeah, Anthropic just bought a foundational tool that their competitors literally use to build their own products. That is a direct, aggressive strike in the war for developer ecosystems. The competition is getting fiercely intense, to say the least. Story number 3 brings us to global ethics and regulation, featuring Pope Leo XIV's sweeping warning. As this technology embeds itself globally, the scrutiny is scaling right along with it. Pope Leo XIV just issued a sweeping statement explicitly calling for strict regulation of AI. He's directly warning about the dangers of military AI, which, of course, we just discussed with the Pentagon, and raising alarms about the concentrated tech power held by just a handful of Silicon Valley giants. When global religious leaders step into tech policy like this, it signals a major shift in the conversation. These ethical concerns map directly onto real-world anxieties. We're tracking accelerated discussions on regulation, profound fears regarding job replacement, the terrifying prospects of warfare integration, and the very real risk of global surveillance. AI ethics has rapidly evolved from just a niche talking point at tech conferences into an unavoidable worldwide political and social issue that governments simply can no longer ignore. Shifting gears to culture now, Hollywood's AI transformation, where artificial intelligence absolutely dominated the conversation at Cannes. The entertainment industry is experiencing an intense, defining divide right now. On one side, you've got Hollywood executives and agents quietly seeking out incredibly lucrative deals with tech giants to integrate AI into production. But on the other side, actors and creators are publicly protesting these exact same tools. As voice cloning, automated editing, and AI-generated video advance, this tension between studio efficiency and artistic livelihood is completely boiling over. And that brings us to our final headline: the AI shopping revolution and the new e-commerce battle. We're tracking a potential trillion-dollar industry shift that's heading straight for your daily habits. Mega corporations, we're talking Amazon, Walmart, Google, Meta, and OpenAI, are in a massive sprint to build automated AI shopping assistants. They're betting billions on AI that doesn't just answer questions, but actively compares products, negotiates prices, and literally executes purchasing decisions for you. The ultimate takeaway from today's broadcast is incredibly clear. AI has moved way beyond experimental chatbots or just fun tools to write emails. It is fundamentally rewiring military defense, enterprise infrastructure, creative commerce, and our everyday lives. The infrastructure of our future is literally being coded today. As we wrap up today's explainer, I want to leave you with this thought. Weighing these incredible technological leaps against the intense geopolitical and cultural friction we've explored today, will AI ultimately improve our future or create infinitely bigger risks? It's the defining question of our era. Keep analyzing the facts, and I'll see you in the next explainer.
Thanks for watching AI News by Vivek. Subscribe for daily AI updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart, stay updated.